Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix no sound issue on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on the bottom right and then expand system tray, and then make sure this button here is not muted. If you're using Bluetooth, for example, headphones, make sure Bluetooth is on. If it's off, basically your headphones will not work. Also, make sure the right headphones is selected here, right? And if this do not work, what I suggest to do here next is to open up settings. Then you need to go to System, Sound, then make sure the right output is selected. Then scroll down until you see Volume Mixer, and then make sure that none of the apps is muted. So for example, if you do not hear people on Discord, chances are high that Discord is muted here, right? Make sure it has also proper sound. Another thing that you need to do here, go to sound, then go to more sound settings, and then go on playback, and then look for your headset, speakers, really doesn't matter. Make sure it's set to default, and then look for levels, and then go to advanced. Make sure these two options is enabled, and also if this option is enabled and the sound is not working, just disable this option and look if the problem persists after that or not. Next thing that you can do here, you need to go to services. And then on services, on this window, you need to look for Windows Audio. Just click on one of the tasks here and then press W until you see Windows Audio, and then right click on it, go to properties, make sure that that startup type is automatic and also server status is running. If it's not running, just press start, apply OK, and then refresh, right? So, or restart, just restart the task and look if the problem persists or not. Just open up Device Manager. On Device Manager, you need to look for your audio device. So audio inputs and outputs, look for your audio device that you're using, right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers. Also, you can do right click, go to update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from the list, then select your driver here, hit next and update, and after that restart your computer and look if the problem persists. Also, if it's not working, you can just uninstall the device, restart your computer, and your computer should automatically install the driver, and then look if the problem persists or not. And also always make sure that your operating system is fully updated. Just go to Windows Update and then look for if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it. And if there is, just install it and your problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.